It is a fantastic opportunity to visit Rogun, a project that can transform the economy of Tajikistan and also has a tremendous significance for the whole region, that can be a source of low-cost green energy for people and for businesses. And I want to express my deep appreciation for the work that is being done here. As a global citizen, I can say that the future of the world economy is green energy, and green energy is going to be produced right here on a large scale. My deep respect for the President of Tajikistan, the government of Tajikistan, and the Tajik people for the incredible development that is happening right here. And I wish that the dream of all Tajiks for Rogun to reach its full capacity is to be soon realized. We at the IMF would do all we can to support the macroeconomic performance of the country so it is easier for investors to come.
Thank you.
Rahmat.